Welcome back. Now, Zoom does have integration into your cloud-based storage. And to find it, you'll need to scroll down inside of your settings, and you're going to go to this integration tab. And what you'll see here is that you can enable Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and Microsoft OneDrive. So what this means then is while individuals are on their mobile device, they will be able to share content from their cloud-based storage. So while the individual is on your call, what they'll then need to do is to click the bottom of their screen, and they'll be able to share their content from the drives you have enabled. So for example, in this case, if we click Google Drive, our Google Drive will then be available to us using our Zoom meeting. And once we enable the document, all we'll need to do is to click Share. The file will then start a loading process and will then be part of our sharing process using our mobile device in our Zoom meeting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.